In a world where the sun and wind whispered secrets, energy danced freely. Capture us, they beckoned. Ingenious minds crafted vessels to hold this power, like jars of sunlight and bottles of breeze. We must save it for the calm, they said. In moments of stillness, these treasures glowed, lighting paths and warming hearts. See how we thrive, the people marveled as their homes hummed with life. The lesson was clear. Harness nature's gifts and the future shines bright. Support our journey to a sustainable world. Hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.